Hey everyone, it's Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Wednesday Wins in Real Estate, where we spread positivity every day. I want to talk to you guys about a client that came to us in May of this year, and their credit scores were very low, in the low 500s, and they had a lot of things that were outstanding that could be taken care of, but was going to take some work to get going. They were determined to buy a house, though. They basically said, "You tell us what to do, and we will do it." And I can't tell you how many times I hear that, and I take time to basically break it all down, and then that person never does anything. This time it was different, though. This client basically huckered down. Like, they started doing everything that I said to do. They were paying off debt, they were paying down debt, they were saving money, they were making the right moves, making payments on time, and lo and behold, about a month and a half ago, they were able to get pre-approved up to a purchase price of $275,000. They were looking up in the Crestline area, so that was like a good price. They ended up finding something that was just a tiny bit above that price range, but we were able to make it work. So all through the process of processing the loan, they were, not believing it was going to happen. I can't believe it's going to happen, but they worked very hard, stayed positive, pushed forward, worked with the right team. And basically, they just closed escrow this last week. So they are officially homeowners. They're so happy. They were just ecstatic. And it made me feel really good being able to help someone that works so hard to obtain home ownership. So stay positive out there. Even if you're not in the best situation, you can get in a better situation and make it happen. Work with the right team and push forward. This is Tim Manfro with Wednesday Wins.